Hi guys, today I'm going to share my experience with my Meepo board which I purchased back in 2021, which is about over 12 months ago. The model is V3 and I have already done over 500k already with this board, and I've been using that to travel between home and office. Not directly, but just to the train station and the train station to office and back. So the experience with the board been really good, and so it's powerful, able to go up here as you can see on the screen, down here no issues, and but the only issue is actually the view I purchased and the battery. So I'll tell you a little bit of the view and experience I had with this board. So initially I purchased the board with some extra upgraded views. However, when I try to replace the views, actually there's a script screw. So what do I do with it? So I try many methods including this script screw removal tools, but no luck at all. Eventually I have to follow this impact drill. In order to drill that opens, I have to drill to the side of the view and drill a hole and then break the script screw, and then after that I can remove the views. As you can see that on the photos, that's how to damage the view in order to remove it. You think the issue is done? Not yet. Actually, the new view, the two holes which covered by rubber, I have to use this craft knife in order to widen the holes before I can actually put them on the view, on the board. So that's quite a bit of effort and time I have wasted. See, this is the new views, pretty and very good as well. I really highly like it and recommend you to replace them. Buy the upgrade and replace them, but not yourself. Hopefully Meepo actually can do it for us. Otherwise, next time if I looking for purchase upgrade, I won't be consider Meepo anymore, because that really give me a lot of grief and wasting me a lot of time. Like if not, I think probably weeks, if not months. Just try to remove that screw. It's not just that strip screw. Actually, after you remove it, you probably need to find some replacement as well, right? So you probably have to buy them online and probably waste you more time and money just on this script screw tool and those replacement tools. So I highly recommend Meepo consider that when people buy upgraded view. Hopefully they can replace them for the buyers instead for us to replacing them. So because that first it costs extra weight and then postage to send the board over, and secondly we have to replace the view, and what do we do with the old one? Actually just put it aside as a rubbish. So it's quite a lot of waste for us as well. So I probably talked enough about the replacement and replacement views and the script tools. And the other problem I had was the battery. So I've been riding the board for a few months. All of a sudden one day I noticed the board stopped working all of a sudden when I was going uphill. Luckily I was going uphill, otherwise I probably won't be able to make this video now. To be serious. So that's probably less than half months. Sorry, not half months, less than 6 months. So I've contacted Meepo, and then they sent me a replacement, and then they said actually there's a problem with the battery. I don't know what's the problem, but after I replaced the battery and the board has been working good so far without any problem for over 6 months again now. So far so good. Yeah, so I quite like the 100mm views that give you a lot of protection to the cone and the side plate as well of the view. So also give you a lot more comfortable riding experience as well. So I really highly recommend you to replace them. I think they don't sell that anymore. They are selling the more I forgot the name, but the bigger size, and you have more like higher style of views. Cloud view, I think, remember the names, cloud views, yeah. So those wheels, but I don't think they will replace that for you as well. So they will send you a stock with the upgraded views, and then you have to replace them yourself. If you unfortunately had a grip school with the board, then good luck. I don't know how much time and effort you will spend to remove it, and before you can get the wheel upgrade to replace them. Okay, that's my good and bad experience with the board, and I promise you, if they are not going to replace the wheel for me for my next upgrade, I am not going to purchase my board from them. I probably go with other brands like Backfire or other brands for sure. Okay, thanks for watching, and if you like the video and if you think it helpful, and please click like and subscribe for me. That will help the channel grow as well. And at the end of the video, I will attach a video for the battery charging, a lapse video for that. So I charged that from 15 to 100. It took me about 2 hours. That's the approximate time to charge your board from nearly empty to full. Okay, I think that's all I want to cover in this video. And please watch to the end if you like it. Okay, I will see you next time.